Company language harkens back to days of old where we had things like hierarchies and command and control. In today's world, it stifles productivity, creates disengagement, and generates unnecessary boundaries and barriers. We need a complete refresh in the way we talk about things at work. We need to replace terms like boss, employee, headcount, assets, managers, supervisors, chief, fill in the blank, rank and file, and many, many other terms that imply that there's this sort of hierarchical structure about value and what people are bringing to the company. If you're going to have a true enterprise view, we need to use terms like team members, partners, product specialists, facilitators, advocates, leaders. We need to stop talking about at every level of the company and talk about parts of the company. Because anytime we come up with a hierarchical view that, oh yeah, those people are more important because they're at the top, that's not necessarily the case. There may be decision makers and leaders, but trust me, the people that are closest to the valve, that are making the product, delivering the results, are vital to the success of that business. Think about the language you're using at your company. Is it empowering or disempowering? Does it create engagement or disengagement? Language matters.